Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors YouTube channel, your go-to place for practical legal advice without the waffle. Today we're answering a really important question. Who can be a power of attorney in the UK? Because if you're planning your future or helping a loved one with theirs, this is something you absolutely need to get right. Before we dive in, let's quickly recap. A power of attorney refers to a legal arrangement where someone known as your attorney is given the authority to make decisions on your behalf. This happens through a legal document called a lasting power of attorney, or LPA. And there are two types. First, Health and Welfare LPA, and second, Property and Financial Affairs LPA. Now the big question is, who can you choose to act as your attorney? First, age matters. Over 18 only. Let's start with the basics. Your attorney must be over 18 years old. That's non-negotiable. So, even if your 17-year-old daughter is wise beyond her years and already managing the family budget, the law says no. Second, they must have mental capacity. Your chosen attorney must also have full mental capacity. That means they must be able to understand what the role involves and make decisions in your best interests. This is not a ceremonial title. It carries real legal power and responsibility. 3. Trust is key. Choose someone you genuinely trust. Legally, you can choose anyone who meets the age and capacity criteria. A friend, relative, partner, or even a professional like a solicitor. But just because you can, it doesn't mean you should choose anyone lightly. You're giving them the power to access your bank accounts, decide on your medical care, or even sell your home. So ask yourself, do I really trust this person to do what's right for me, not just what's convenient for them? 4. What about appointing a solicitor? Yes, you can appoint a solicitor like us at Blackstone to act as your attorney, particularly for financial matters. This is often a wise choice if you don't have someone suitable, or if you're dealing with complex finances or, sensitive family dynamics. It adds a layer of professional accountability and means your affairs are handled impartially and securely. 5. Can you appoint more than one? Absolutely. You can appoint more than one attorney and even specify whether they must act together, known as jointly, or can act independently, jointly and severally. This gives you flexibility, especially if your attorneys live in different parts of the country or have different strengths. And 6. You can also appoint replacements. What if something happens to your chosen attorney? That's where replacement attorneys come in. You can name backup attorneys to step in if your original choice dies, loses capacity, or simply no longer wants the role. It's like legal life insurance, just in case. Choosing the right attorney is just as important as setting up the LPA itself. At Blackstone Solicitors, we help guide you through the process, make sure everything's legally sound, and help you protect your future with confidence. If this video helped you understand the essentials, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more practical legal insights from our team.